If you are an 8th grade student, this is your video. You're going to be doing sections 2 and 3 during period 2. I know that sounds confusing. This is for 8th graders. This is the video you will be using. We're starting with section 2. Here we go. Once we begin, you will have 30 minutes. 30 minutes to work on section 2, the writing and language test. Be sure to mark your answers in the numbered spaces that correspond to the numbered test questions in section 2. If you finish before time is called, you may check your work in this section, but you may not turn to any other section. Open your test book to the page where you inserted your answer sheet. Find section 2 on page 3 of your answer sheet. Keep your answer sheet flat and open on your desk. Do not fold pages back. Now, please turn to section 2 in your test book, read the directions, and begin work. Your time starts now. You have 30 minutes. Good luck. Teachers, pause the video when your students are done with the first section and have a couple of minutes to relax. Start the video again. I'm going to begin directions for section 3. All right, this is section 3, math test, no calculator. You do not need a calculator. Keep them under your desk. Once we begin, you will have 20 minutes. 20 minutes to work on section 3, the math test without the calculator. We will take a 5-minute break when this section is finished. Although this is a portion of the math test, you are not allowed to use a calculator unless you have been approved to use a calculator, which none of you have. Open your test book to the page where you inserted your answer sheet. Find section 3 on page 3 of your answer sheet. Keep your answer sheet open and flat on your desk. Do not fold pages back. Be sure to mark your answers in the numbered spaces that correspond to the numbered test questions in section 3. Directions for how to enter your answers on the questions labeled student-produced responses are in your test book. Answers to these questions can be shorter but not longer than 4 characters. If you finish before time is called, you may check your work in this section, but you may not turn to any other section. Now please turn to section 3 in your test book, read the directions, and begin work. Your time starts now. You have 20 minutes. Good luck. Teachers, go ahead and pause or stop the video after this.